Hi, my name is Fraser Langlands, and this is my resume. Living here in the central Okanagan Valley is my place of residence. I'm originally from Ontario, Canada. I'm interested in opportunities. Please accept this resume portfolio as my application. I am convinced that my knowledge of the printing industry, I can be an asset because of my hands-on experience in production, designing, and packaging. In flexographic printing, I execute daily operations on 8-color Mark Andy 2200 and 6-color Aquaflex printing press. Both presses are high-speed machines, whereas it requires to be physically and mentally fit. Attention to detail is a strong point as I acquire this being a printer. A self-starter who possesses a can-do attitude to handle the demands of a job. Ability to stand for long periods of time and work in a safe manner. Adhere to quality control as I'm assigned to the accordance with the ISO policies, procedures, and work instructions. My creative abilities as a flexo press operator is an asset on the basis of thorough knowledge about flexo machines and what they can do on every job. Knowledge of use, operations, and repairs of flexo printing machines. Excellent knowledge in artwork layout, color scheme, and designing skills, which helps in less downtime to designers of a particular label. Disassembled and reassembled machines to maintain high performance, repair, replace broken and worn parts using hand and power tools. Clean, grease, and oil equipment to maintain its efficiency using various cleaning solvents and specified grease gun dispensers. High emphasis on maintaining quality and accuracy in work being done. Strong error detection and problem-solving skills. Ability to interact and communicate with clients. Problem-solving task. Here's an example of a problem-solving task project. A number of us co-workers are working on a new project, a complex job that has not been done on the press. The production manager established the material to work with and felt that this would be suitable. As the setup proceeded, we encountered numerous problems. This caused hours of downtime. We are all brainstorming how to make this work. I decided to suggest an idea to my co-workers. Having knowledge in what various types of materials can do, I mentioned, can we just change the material? We did a test, and from there it did work. With a few modifications and talking to the customer if this will work for him, we proceeded in production. Production started the next day, fulfilling the expected date and delivered to the customer on time. Safety comes first when operating a forklift, constantly looking for potential hazards that could come my way. As a trained operator, I'm more of a productive operator. I have an understanding in the design capabilities and limitations of a forklift. This will have an impact on my performance as well as being educated about the laws, rules, and regulations. My effective know-how is the foundation of building the skill and follow precise movements with little time or energy wasted. Organize and place heavy pallets on shelves at high elevations. Experience in using tap water wash photopolymer printing plates that have excellent ink acceptance, transfer, and sharp halftone resolution. All this from handling direct negative film. Care and cleaning, scheduled maintenance, and certainly not shy from getting my hands dirty and replacing UV bulbs under the hood. Customer service representative. I've interacted with all customers, processing job orders and maintaining databases. Customer focused with a passion for customer service excellence. Serve key corporate accounts with the utmost care to ensure customer satisfaction. Quoted jobs along with estimating timeline for print production. Had a key role in leadership, supervising a crew of 5 in different departments and answer to the owner. Collaborated with office staff and art department. I'm very proud in producing product branding labels. I've worked on thousands of labeled products, and to be more prouder than being displayed right here in the Okanagan Valley in various store outlets. I have also produced labels for overseas, including Hawaii and Japan. My feelings about work relates to how work affects my performance and is an important contributing factor to my overall work ethic. work makes me feel energized, proud, and positive about myself and my accomplishments. I have the ability to run the CMYK Primera CX1200 and the FX1200 finishing system. Knowledgeable in Illustrator, Photoshop, and PT Print 9.0 RIP software. Proficient with Apple computer systems and PC Windows. Coordinated with sales, art director, production, and plate maker. Primera FX1200 finishing system is using the integrated touchscreen. I can easily perform all these label finishing steps in a single integrated and automated process. What better way to work in the Okanagan Valley and have hands-on as a production line worker, with the fruit grown right here, sorting, packaging, ready to deliver. Representing over 500 growers, BC fruit markets, fresh tree fruits including apples, pears, cherries, peaches, nectarines, plums, and prunes. My passion is capturing the beautiful and fleeting moments in our everyday world, creating images. When I was young, my father captured moments of us kids using still pictures and 8mm film. Every now and then, as kids, we would all gather and watch the timelessness being presented on screen. I create and collaborate to bring the unique vision of life with beautiful and timeless images that leaves a lasting impression and is true and authentic. I'm motivated by the love of photography. Mostly self-taught, I had the opportunity to work with the multimedia service Media Button in Kelowna, BC, Canada. My duties were video creation and video editing and special effects. As a bonus, I have the ability to use the high-end broadcasting video camera equipment with lighting experience at various events in British Columbia and the States. Learning technology is an ongoing thing, and I'm very excited to share what I have learned and accomplished. I attended the Multimedia School, Center for Arts and Technology in Kelowna for 1 year. This pushed my abilities in producing multinational brands from concept to final artwork, not limited to logos, packaging, design, brochures, leaflets, calendars, manuals, and corporate identity. To push the brand identity and product design, I'm using the latest software via Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Acrobat. I am confident that I am an excellent candidate for your team. I welcome the opportunity to discuss my qualifications with you in person and can be reached at langlandsf@yahoo.com. I look forward to hearing from you in the near future. This is Fraser Langlands, and thank you for considering my application.